All right, welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. And today we have this Okin refined JLDQ-10. And what the heck is it? Well, it is actually a linear actuator used for different things like recliners and reclinable beds and stuff like that. I wanted to show you that this unit is working, but also explain some of the things that this thing does. Obviously, its main purpose is for, or it's built for and actually used for a recliner itself. Based on this model, the model is JLDQ 10.368.198. So this thing gets mounted to one side of like maybe part of the recliner, and then this one may be connected to the back portion where you're actually leaning, and so this thing will travel a certain amount when you push that button up and down. So it's actually quite easy, and this is just really a big motor that pushes the rod up, or actually turn when the gears turn, it pushes the rod up. This thing is made out of nice aluminum, and then you've got a big hefty motor right here. This thing works off of 24 volts, 50 watts, and then there's a connector right on it, that so if you're replacing something or when they're building it, it just pops in and out. So let's make it work, basically. That's what I wanted to show you guys, is the fact that this thing travels pretty far. Because it is 24 volts, it will travel faster than like a smaller voltage or lower voltage unit. But it really doesn't matter how the voltage is what changes the speed of this thing. So if we were to put some voltage onto the terminal, this thing starts to move just like this. So when you're reclining the recliner or bringing it up or something like that, it travels quite a long ways. With this fully extended, it's actually pretty long, all the way up to 19.25 inches. So it's got a long throw, so it gives you that maximum reclining, or so when it reaches the end, provides that length of a distance. Pretty much, well, it's supposed to be 19.25. That's what the spec says. So that is, maybe it depends on where you're actually calculating it. So probably down here to get that 19.25. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool, pretty simple unit. And these things can get pretty spendy, only because they can handle a lot of it can handle a lot of weight. This one in particular is spec'd to about 168 pounds of weight or load capacity. So it gives you, obviously there's still a maximum that the motor can handle, but these are pretty hefty motors. And again, it's really cool just to see how these things work. And yeah, and I just wanted to explain that. Why are we covering this thing? It's because we put up all kinds of stuff on this channel, and I like the fact that we can go through different little things here and there and see not just audio, but other devices like this. All right, anyway, I hope you liked that video of this Okin refined JLDQ 10 or 10.368.198. All right, anyway, again, If you haven't joined the channel, please join the channel and give this video a thumbs up when you can. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you again did, give it a thumbs up. All right. I'll see you guys on the next video.